video to fix embedded controller not responding to external gamepads in Windows. Are you trying to connect your external controller, but your PC just ignores it, does not detect it, or shows it, but does not work at all? This problem happens because Windows sometimes gives control to the wrong driver, blocks the external device, keeps old settings saved, or lets the embedded controller override your gamepad. When that happens, your system gets confused and your controller stops responding. Most videos on YouTube or social media make this worse because they are too long, too technical, or full of steps that do not match your system. You waste time, click random settings, and still see no result. On Rexish, I keep it simple and direct. In this video, I will show you 4 proven methods that fix this exact issue, and I guarantee at least one of them will work for you, even if your problem feels very serious or critical. Each method targets a different cause, so you do not need to guess what went wrong. Pause this video right now and try the methods one by one as I show them on the screen, or take screenshots so you can follow them safely. Do not skip any method, and do not rush. Follow the method steps by steps showing on the screen.